Yo, what's up YouTube? Here we go again for another video, and I know it's a little echoey. That's because we in the bathroom. Why we in the bathroom? Why? Today we got a different type of video for you all, man. Now, I'm finna be doing my hair today. I'm gonna teach y'all how to do 2-strand twists. Easy. Let's get into it.
Oh my God!
Okay, so I know my hair looks crazy right now, but we finna get this washed, and I'm gonna show you my products. All right, I got my little starting lineup over here. Got a little scrunchies for medium hair, and then we got this. This is for thick hair. It helps your hair grow fast if you got really thick hair. I recommend this. This junk really work. And then we got the curling gel, for curly hair and all that good stuff. Then we got the Can2 shampoo, the Tangler conditioner, this oil to put in your hair once your hair already done. Your hair get dry sometimes. And then we got the spray bottle. Now all of this you can get from Walmart. So we got the point guard right here, got the 2, got the big body, he playing the 5, got the 4 up here, and then we got the detangler or whatever. You got this at the 3. So yeah, we finna get into this. This junk look like this junk finna get washed right now. Okay, so my hair is washed now. I'm currently combing through it. So what I did was wash my hair with cold water. The purpose of this is to seal the pores and cuticles in your scalp, while also giving your hair its nice glow and shine. Although I only use cold water, the best way to wash your hair is to wash it using warm water, and then whenever you decide to apply conditioner, rinse it out using cold water. Washing your hair with cold water also seals its moisture, which prevents it from drying as quickly. So make sure you're using the best of both options. So this is what we're gonna be using right here. I think I'm gonna do 2 gray and 2 white so I can part my hair with. So what I do when I'm parting my hair is I part it into 4 separate sections, so that way it's way easier to manage. Honestly, I suck at parting, but there's other ways you can go about doing it. A lot of people, they part their hair in like horizontal rows or whatever. That don't work for me because I suck.
2 hours later.
Okay, so what I did was I separated my first section into halves, and I proceeded to comb through it so that my hair is nice and long and perfect for twisting. Afterwards, I took a section of that section and partitioned it off. Then I separated that piece of my hair into 2 halves and grabbed each individual strand from my scalp and wrapped it around as tight as I could. Hey, look at my twist. Yes, sir. So what you want to do is take half of that half, separate into 2 separate strands, and begin to wrap those strands around each other. Now, if you want it a little bit more tight, just pull on each of those strands, and it'll help it tighten up even more. Okay, now do it all over again. Okay, this is how it looks right now. I know some of the twists, they are all the same size. Like I said before, I am not very good at parting, but what we're finna do here is, okay, so we're gonna use some of this coconut oil, and we're gonna use this right here. We're gonna put this in my hair and lather it down. Okay, I know it's looking crazy right now, but it's all a process. So we're gonna get some of this. Okay. And then we're gonna put it on our scalp. Gotta make sure that we get it directly on our scalp so then that way it can grow healthy. We don't wanna put it on the hair itself because your hair doesn't grow from your hair, it grows from the roots. So make sure that it's all the way in your scalp. All right, now we finna put the dewy on. This is not a do-rag, this is a do-rag. But anyways, so you finna put this dewy on right quick. Okay. My hair is long. My hair is stupid long. Okay. So look, this is how I tie my do-rags. I have the light part facing over. And then I wrap it around twice. And I tie it. It's kind of basic if I'm being honest, but it's just how I do it. So look, what we finna do now is we're gonna fix this right here. Move this on top. And then we're gonna pull our twist down. I look like a ninja. Bro, my hair is so long, it just never fits in the do-rag. But we got this laid down, so we gonna see how it looks when it come off. Okay, so here it goes, dewy off and everything. Now my hair is really long, so that kind of explains why some parts is longer than the other, especially towards the middle. But yeah, here we go.
Early the next morning.
Okay, so today's a new day. Yeah, as you can see in the last clip, I showed y'all the twists. This junk is mad long. But anyways, y'all press that like button, y'all subscribe, y'all comment down below and give me some tips because like I'm not perfect with this. I only recently been doing my hair, so I'm just starting to get accustomed to it, and I just want to teach y'all what I know. But yeah, y'all interact with me in the comments. I'm gonna be replying and all that good stuff. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.